Hello students, this is Mr. Tim and I am out at our school garden again, and today we're going to talk about mulching. Oh, I have to see if I can show you me so you know it's me. Remember what I look like. So this is the chili garden that we put in. If you saw our other videos, these are the ones that we transplanted and showed you how to do, and now Mr. Garcia set up a watering system. So these first couple rows I came in last week or something and mulched them. So what I put down, you don't see the dirt mostly anymore. I put down a layer of newspaper and then coffee grounds. Here you can see the newspaper a little better, kind of showing around the edges. And then I'm covering all the ground in between the plants. And this is stuff that we can walk on, and mulching is going to do several things for us. It is, oh, and there's a little bug there. So I'm going to show you while I'm doing this. This newspaper, I just got it wet in a bucket. Normally, again, I have kids help with that and they think it's lots of fun. And then to cover up the newspaper so it doesn't dry up and blow away, I come in and I get my Starbucks coffee grounds, and I'm going to pour coffee grounds on top of this. This is all considered organic material. So now, so that I do this in layers. So you can see the newspaper was wet here. It's going to cover up the ground. It is going to keep the ground cooler because the sun isn't beating down on it. It's going to keep the ground moister because it's more difficult for the water to evaporate. It's going to prevent weeds from growing, and it also helps prevent dust, because when the monsoon storms come through and then it's all dusty, this will not get dusty. This will stay in place. Hopefully I will keep bringing out more grass clippings and keep putting that on top of here. So this is a bag of grass clippings. It's not pretty and it doesn't smell good, but what this is going to do is stay on top here and form another layer. I'll have to come back and probably shake this all out when I'm not on video, because I only have one hand now. I didn't figure out how to show you how I did this with only one. I don't have a camera person today. So now you can see this one is in process. I'm going to have one more bag of grass clippings I'm going to bring. So starting from the end here over by the fence, you can't really see the cardboard or the newspaper anymore because I've covered it, but I came in and covered all that. I killed some weeds, and then I put the grass or the newspaper down first. Ooh, look at this chili plant. This one's doing beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have to pick some of those. I didn't even notice those today. There's big chilies on this little tiny plant, and you can see the red ones, you can see the green ones. I think that's an Anaheim type. Oh, and then this one I know is Anaheim. Oh, now I'm gonna be upside down. Oh, you can see there's some nice big chilies on this one. I'll have to pick some of this coconut and take it into Miss Flo. I don't really eat this stuff, but Miss Flo loves them. And then this is good, so it'll make the chili plants happier too, because they're going to stay a little bit cooler, and hopefully not. Oh, this one you can see there's lots of little flowers, but